Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your website backups with Cloudflare, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To back up your website using Cloudflare, start by logging into your Cloudflare account. Select the domain for which you want to set up backups. Navigate to the Overview tab on your Cloudflare dashboard. Scroll down until you find the Advanced Actions section. Click on API Tokens to create a new backup token. Choose Create Token to start the process. Select the Edit Cloudflare Workers template for your token. Configure the permissions to allow access to your website's resources. Once done, click on Continue to Summary. Review the permissions and click on Create Token. Copy the API token and store it securely for later use. Next, open your preferred backup tool or script that supports API integrations. Enter the Cloudflare API token in the designated field. Specify the website URL and any other necessary configurations. Schedule your backup frequency according to your needs. Run the backup tool to ensure it connects properly to your Cloudflare account. Verify that the backup completes successfully without errors. Finally, check the backup location to confirm that your website backups are stored correctly. Regularly monitor your backups to ensure they remain up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.